Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best camping spatula is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential pieces of gear for any outdoor culinary adventure, transforming simple campfire meals into gourmet experiences with its versatility and ease of use, making it a must-have for hikers, campers, and backyard grill masters alike who appreciate both functionality and portability in their cooking tools. Number 5. Cliganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Introducing Cliganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets, your natural solution for keeping bugs at bay. Enjoy outdoor activities without worry. Our bracelets are DEET-free and powered by natural essential oils. This means effective protection derived from plants, safe for your family. Each bracelet is individually wrapped for instant use. Simply unwrap and wear to keep mosquitoes away wherever you go. Designed for comfort, these bracelets are stretchy and adjustable. They fit both kids and adults perfectly, ensuring everyone is protected. Take them on your next adventure. They are ideal for parks, hiking, camping, and traveling, providing reliable protection outdoors. You might notice a new look, but rest assured, it's the same great product you love. We're just updating our packaging. What we like. These are DEET-free and powered by essential oils for a natural approach. They are also individually wrapped for convenience. If you are looking for a natural way to keep bugs away without harsh chemicals, you should consider these. What people say. They work well for reducing mosquito bites during outdoor activities and don't have a strong chemical smell, which makes them safe and pleasant to wear. I recently tried citronella bracelets on a camping trip and found them to be quite effective for both kids and adults. I wear on each wrist and ankle if the mosquitoes are super bad and stay unbitten. Number 4. Full WINDSOR Splitter Titanium Multi-Utensil Set. This cooking set is engineered to endure the elements. Crafted from ultralight yet durable titanium, it's built to last through all your outdoor culinary adventures while remaining incredibly lightweight. Forget carrying multiple tools, this multifunctional set combines a spatula, spork, and tongs. It provides everything you need to cook, serve, and eat, all in one convenient utensil. Designed for ultimate convenience, it's lightweight and easy to pack. This utensil set fits perfectly into your bag, ensuring it doesn't take up valuable space on your adventures. It masterfully blends sleek design with practical functionality. Each piece is thoughtfully crafted for easy handling and efficient cooking, making it an essential and stylish addition to your outdoor gear. This is an excellent alternative to disposable options, allowing you to enjoy outdoor meals responsibly. It's a practical solution for minimizing waste while enjoying your adventures. What we like. This is an all-in-one tool made from durable titanium. It combines a spatula, spork, and tongs into one compact set. If you are a minimalist backpacker or hiker who values lightweight gear, you should consider this. What people say. This is a very good titanium spatula, spork, that connect to make tongs. The tongs can pick up fish fillets, steaks or patties as well. Used it to grasp my pot out of the fire a few times as well. Superior to just a long spork and a turner is negligible extra weight for increased functionality at camp. The two stack pack and lock down together. Almost the size of a single long spork. It's a spoon, it's a fork, it's a spatula, it's a serrated knife, it's a pair of tongs. And, obviously, it's titanium so it's extremely hard to damage. Number 3. MSR Alpine Utensil Set. Introducing the MSR Alpine Utensil Set, your perfect companion for outdoor dining. This versatile set includes essential tools for any culinary adventure. Each tool in this set folds in half with a simple squeeze of the handle, making it incredibly compact and easy to store. It's designed for convenience on the go. The included spoon features calibration marks for common measurements, ensuring accuracy in your cooking. It's perfect for precise portioning. The spatula boasts a serrated edge, ideal for easily cutting through soft meats and cheeses. It's a practical addition for preparing your meals. This set also features a strainer and cheese grater with a curved ridge to fit most pots. The holes are perfectly sized for grating cheese, adding to its functionality. Weighing just 3 ounces, 85 g, this entire set is incredibly lightweight. You'll barely notice it in your pack, making it ideal for backpacking and camping. What we like. This set features a folding design for easy storage and a serrated edge on the spatula for cutting. It is also very lightweight. If you need a compact and versatile spatula with a bonus cutting edge for soft foods, you should consider this. What people say. The spatula is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a long handle, providing a comfortable grip and keeping your hands away from the heat. The wide, flexible head makes it easy to flip food, even in a crowded pan. Number 2. Woodenhouse Teak Spatula Set of 4. Introducing our set of 4 premium teak spatulas, designed for all your kitchen needs. Crafted from a single piece of wood, these utensils are built to last a lifetime. Experience comfortable cooking with our perfectly sized utensils. The long handles and lightweight design make them a joy to use for any culinary task. Worry-free cooking is here. These spatulas are safe to use on all your cookware, including non-stick surfaces, cast iron, and stainless steel, without causing scratches. Maintaining their beautiful gloss is simple. Just hand wash and occasionally apply mineral oil to keep them looking their best for years to come. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful and unique set is perfect for any home cook. We're confident you'll love them, but if not, we'll make it right. What we like. These are made from natural wood and are non-scratch, making them safe for all cookware. This set includes 4 different types of spatulas. If you prefer natural materials and want to protect your non-stick pans, you should consider these. What people say. The spatula is made of high-quality stainless steel, making it durable and resistant to rust. It features a foldable handle, which makes it compact and easy to store in a backpack or cooking kit. The wide, flat surface of the spatula is perfect for flipping burgers, pancakes, and other food items without them breaking apart. Number 1. 12 PCS Camp Cooking Utensil Set, Navy. Experience the convenience of a mini kitchen wherever you are. This portable kit includes all the essentials for comfortable outdoor dining, neatly organized for your adventures. Crafted with high-end stainless steel, these utensils are designed for enhanced durability. They are perfect for constant use during all your outdoor cooking needs. With this comprehensive set, you can savor the outdoors on your own terms. Enjoy barbecues, picnics, and more with all the necessary tools at your fingertips. The included organizer bag keeps everything neat and tidy. It adds to the convenience of your outdoor adventures, ensuring you always have what you need. This essential camping set makes an exceptional gift for any occasion. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a gift that can't miss. What we like. This is a complete 12-piece set made from durable stainless steel. It comes with a portable carry case for easy organization. If you are looking for a comprehensive kitchen kit for camping with everything you need, you should consider this. What people say. The spatulas and spoon are good quality and easy to clean. The spatula would be a tad nicer if it had a bigger flipping surface, but it's perfectly big enough for burgers and works for smaller-sized pancakes. The materials are durable and wash up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.